Are you in the market for a new car? Look no further than the Toyota Yaris, one of the most reliable, stylish, and eco-friendly compact cars in the UK. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone looking to switch to hybrid technology, the Yaris has something for everyone. The Toyota Yaris has built a strong reputation for being dependable, economical, and packed with smart features. But what really sets it apart? It's compact yet spacious, making it perfect for navigating tight city streets while offering plenty of room for passengers and luggage. The hybrid engine technology provides excellent fuel efficiency, meaning fewer stops at the petrol station and a smaller carbon footprint. And finally, with a bold design and vibrant color options, the Yaris turns heads wherever it goes. Innovative features for modern drivers. The Toyota Yaris is designed with modern drivers in mind. Here's a closer look at some of its standout features. Toyota Safety Sense. Safety is always a priority, and the Yaris doesn't disappoint. With features like pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control, you'll feel secure in every journey. Smart connectivity. The 7 or 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're taking calls, navigating with maps, or playing your favorite tunes, the Yaris keeps you connected. Hybrid Synergy Drive. This innovative system combines petrol and electric power for optimal performance and efficiency. It's smooth, quiet, and perfect for stop-start traffic in urban areas. Comfortable interior. With soft-touch materials, ergonomic seats, and an intuitive layout, the Yaris ensures every drive is enjoyable. Toyota Yaris trims. Choosing the right model. The Toyota Yaris comes in a variety of trims, each tailored to different needs and lifestyles. Icon. The entry-level trim is anything but basic. It offers essential features like a reversing camera, adaptive cruise control, and smartphone integration. Design. For those wanting a bit more flair, the design trim adds upgraded alloy wheels, stylish accents, and keyless entry. Excel. This trim is all about luxury, featuring heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a head-up display. Perfect for those who enjoy premium comfort. GR Sport. Inspired by Toyota's racing division, the GR Sport offers a sporty design, enhanced suspension, and a more dynamic driving experience. Each trim level provides great value, so it's all about finding the one that suits your style and budget. Toyota Yaris pricing in the UK. Let's talk about the cost of owning a Toyota Yaris. The entry-level Icon starts at around £21,000, while the Premium Excel trim comes in at about £25,000. For drivers seeking a sporty edge, the GR Sport tops the range at approximately £27,000. These prices reflect the quality and features you're getting, but don't forget that Toyota often offers excellent financing deals, such as 0% April or deposit contributions. Financing options like personal contract purchase, PCP, or hire purchase, HP, make it easier than ever to drive home in your new Yaris. Fuel efficiency and eco-friendly features. One of the Toyota Yaris's biggest selling points is its outstanding fuel efficiency. The hybrid model boasts an impressive 68.9 miles per gallon, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. And thanks to its hybrid system, the Yaris can run on electric power alone at lower speeds. This means fewer emissions and quieter drives, especially in stop-and-go traffic. If you're looking to lower your environmental impact, the Yaris is an excellent choice. What to expect when buying a Toyota Yaris? Buying a new car should be an exciting experience, and Toyota dealerships make it easy and stress-free. When you visit, you'll be greeted by knowledgeable staff who can guide you through the different trims and options. You can take a test drive to see how the Yaris performs on the road. Once you've decided, the dealership will handle all the paperwork, including any trade-ins or financing arrangements. And when you pick up your Yaris, they'll ensure you're comfortable with its features before you drive away. Warranty and maintenance. Toyota stands behind its vehicles with an industry-leading 5-year per 100,000-mile warranty. You can also opt for the Toyota Care Service Package, which covers routine maintenance at an affordable cost. Regular servicing helps keep your Yaris in top condition, ensuring reliability for years to come. The Toyota Yaris isn't just a car, it's a smart investment. With its combination of reliability, efficiency, and modern features, it's no wonder the Yaris continues to be a favorite among UK drivers. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in purchasing cars, just go to this website and clinch it now before they get sold out.